So when you're working with this much cooking surface, this all gets hot, yeah? So what you want to do is spread it all around like this. Now see how simple it is? Celery, onions, carrots, garlic, salt, and pepper. Give it a tap.
Eggs.
Yeah? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oops. See that divot?
Yeah.
Keep going. Hold. Keep going. Hold it. Keep going. Hear that sound? Push the stick. Yep. There you go. No. If you hit it again when you break it, sometimes the shell will go in there. So go ahead and open it up. No, just open it up like you were normally going to open it. Yeah. 6 cloves of garlic. And then this. There you go. Trash. I'll get you another one. You got that one too?
Yeah. Stop.
Go ahead and pull them all out. You'll taste the lemon. Don't stick it back in there. That's good? That smells so good.
What did you do?
She made garlic bread from scratch.
Ooh, look at that. Whoa.
They're good?
Wow. Oh, I bet it's good.